Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, 100% institutional quarantine, guest house, one person, one room. Immediately he will come or she will come, testing, after 8 days again testing. So we will make ensure that there is no any threat. Other area person is coming, whole family house quarantine. House quarantine with whole family. Once test will be done, then family will be tested. Or if he or she interested, will make institutional quarantine. This is the quarantine system. Nodal officer is Jayachandran is following since last 3 months. In future also will maintain. 6 doctors team regularly visiting all Yanam. ANM, ASHA, volunteers, Anganwadi, they are regularly visiting in the field, getting the details. So this is happening in the quarantine. So till now success. In future also we will maintain. Regarding check post, 1st June onwards we given relaxation. So last 15 days we seen full crowd movement is there. So today video conference with CM. CM sir given instructions that you have done good job. He appreciated, then given instructions that in future also maintain status quo. He will be happy that Yanam is 0 positive in future also. For that he told, don't disturb economy activity. Livelihood is equally important. So you maintain such a way that business should continue, livelihood activity should continue, but you monitor. So we decided at the check post, again we will without any information, without any passes. So we will be able to identify who is the person coming from other state or other area, so we can make them proper quarantine. That is one thing. Second thing, so many villages are depends on Yanam for different activities like banking and medical and market. So in 10 kilometer radius, so many persons are coming regularly. For them also will give instructions regarding essential commodity they can purchase in their area available. Banking and hospital, definitely we cannot stop them. So we will fix the day, maybe weekly one bank, one bank, weekly once like Monday SBI, Tuesday Indian Oil, like this. Accordingly we will fix the day, so that there not be any much crowd, and they will get their work done also. That we will. I will conduct meeting tomorrow with bank managers. We will decide, and we will put the flexi at the check post itself, so public also won't affect. And one more thing, that every person entering in the check post, at the check post, we will 100% sanitize. That I am requesting public also. They have to cooperate, and our volunteers will be there, police will be there, and our civil staff. Every person to be sanitized compulsory, so that we can reduce the risk. Threat will be less. Suppose some person infected somewhere outside coming, hand sanitization, risk will be less. So mask, sanitization, hand wash, very very important, and social distancing. So this is the regarding check post. Medical equipment, I already explained that we are having sufficient isolation beds. That is the almost 60. Ventilators are there, oxygen cylinders are there. If anything need, we will write to Government of Puducherry. CM sir promised that he will supply immediately. So these are the important things. Regarding the market, already we are monitoring, they are following the protocol as per the SOP. Every person, they have to keep sanitizer. Every person should use mask. They have to maintain social distancing. That is happening. Even church, mosque, temples also following. So these are the important things now. Now I would like to request to public, Yanam public. First of all, I would like to congratulate. 3 months successfully, without any case, we completed. This is the great news, and very much thanks to public. Again I am requesting, again I want cooperation of the public. Without cooperation nothing is possible. So Public should not think that now no lockdown, so no problem. See, risk is increasing. Now 3.5 lakh in India. Every day 10 to 12,000 increasing. East Godavari itself 300 crossed. Yesterday 35 case positive new. So daily cases are there. So very, very high risk. So I am requesting, please, only those persons compulsory they have to go out, they have to go. Unnecessarily, no need to come out. Especially old age persons, children, no use. Only head of the family, either he is working or going for purchasing essential commodity should come out. Immediately go home. Because threat is a 10 times or 100 times more now comparatively last month. In future, it may be 500 times more. If July or August will enter, so please be at home, cooperate at the check post. Now we are going to again monitoring and tightening the check post. We will issue the pass. Our team will be there. First 3 days they will issue pass there itself based on the identity. Okay, I am going this factory, I am going to this government employee or this that. Accordingly, I am the farmer. They will issue pass 3 or 4 days. After that, no pass will be issued. Only RA office they will have to come and we will issue the pass. Otherwise, no pass will be there. Based on that, we will allow the persons coming and going. So I need enough public cooperation compulsory. Without that, nothing is possible. Till now you cooperated, so that definitely success is with us. We are now till now definitely we got success. And Yanam only district in Puducherry, you know. So no cases. Other than that, APL rice also tomorrow. Every ration card 20 kg. So 3,250 person will get rice. Remaining in total 4,666 is total number. Out of that, government employees will reduced, removed. So 3,250% will distribute through school actually. As per the SOP, we will bring the rice different schools. 22 schools we will select according to the ration shop. We will match to the team. Headmaster will be the in charge. Then we will distribute rice. Not much number, so it is not a big problem. For BPL, is a big number. So they will get rice also. So again, I am requesting Yanam public also, please now also once again next 3 months target cooperate. Once we will reach this stage, then it will threat will be reduced. So please support, cooperate. I am requesting media also. This is your prime responsibility that you make aware the public, because this is the risk for everyone. We can't say I am safe or he is safe or she is safe. Everybody at the risk. So please be careful, be at home, enjoy your life. Mentally you should be very much strong. Play with children. This is the right time. And once again, we want success. Thank you. 12 o'clock till 12 o'clock, 2,379 persons entered in Yanam from different part of the country or foreign. Out of that, 600 we tested, all found negative. Out of that, almost 450 institutional quarantine, remaining home quarantine we kept. Okay, so this is the correct situation. And now